are just so privileged to have a wonderful, wonderful Master Naturopath on the line that is trained in biochemistry. She's had many years of clinical experience using our product, and she was just wonderful. But before we get started, let's just give you a quick disclaimer. And that is, Cerule products do not cure or heal any medical conditions. While we have clinical trials that prove the efficacy of our products, we do not make any claims that they cure or heal any medical conditions. Now, how is Plasmaflo the answer, and why?
Plasmaflo, from a naturopathic physician point of view, is the most fantastic supplementation. I know before these products came out, as I said earlier, I'd always done a lot of work with people's microcirculation. And for me, I feel that this product is like 3 products in one. Certainly in my own clinical experience, I stopped using about 3 things and was able just to use this product and see the same results. And I actually look at people's blood under a microscope and actually look at their fibrin levels, etc. So I have been in love with this product for a very long time, and it's certainly had a significant effect on my microcirculation myself. Being 6 foot tall, I am prone to experiencing more circulation issues than a shorter version of myself. And I think that's something to be reinforced. And particularly once people start getting quite tall, the taller they get, the more circulation support they often need. And so this product's particularly remarkable because it's formulated to target a few aspects of circulation. And I take that information just really from my own understanding of the ingredients. So the first set of ingredients are some remarkable enzymes that are absorbed through our digestive system. And then within really 50 minutes of ingesting the product, those enzymes are starting to break down the fibrin that we were talking about before, which is one of the main reasons why people get congestion in their microcirculation. And then there are some fantastic, very specific herbs used in the formulation that when you go and research those herbs, they have a long history of being used for microcirculation support, and particularly giving a lot of strength and support to those blood vessel walls. So how does Plasmaflo assist our adult stem cells and our microcirculation? Essentially by supporting the strength of the blood vessels, and by having the enzymes that open up the fibrin, so that our microcirculation that might be a little shut down and congested can start to flow. And then that allows the adult stem cells to be able to move into the body at a cellular level. And one thing I want to reinforce here, if you've been taking StemEnhance ULTRA, particularly for a while, and you might be going, great, this is happening. But if you have an area that you feel like, I don't think my stem cells are getting into that area, if you're not using Plasmaflo, add Plasmaflo into your regime. It's like insurance, because we sometimes talk about the stem cell train of health and how StemEnhance puts the stem cells on the train, and then the train goes through your body, and you need the train doors to be able to open so that the stem cells can go out. And I like to think of Plasmaflo as opening up those train doors and being the real insurance that your stem cells can penetrate into your body all over the place as well, not just where it can obviously get through.